Hello friends, you're welcome back to class. Okay, thank you to all my subscribers, my well wishers. I love you all, and please keep making me proud by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Today we're going to learn about percentage of profit or loss. Okay, we have some figures on the board in the chart that has the cost price and the selling price. So we're going to determine the profit or the loss for each of this. Now, question: on the cost price, we have 2 naira 70 kobo, and this product was sold for 3 naira 24 kobo. If the selling price is greater than the cost price, that means it's a profit, right? So we classify this as what? Profit. Now, if the selling price is less than the cost price, that means the person that sold the product is at a loss, isn't it? So this question, we have 4 naira product was sold, was bought for 4 naira, and it was sold for 3 naira 50 kobo. What does that mean? The person actually had a loss. So this is a loss on the part of the person that bought this for 4 naira and sold at a lower price. Then the next one, we have 126 naira worth of goods was bought and was sold at 182 naira 70 kobo. Wow, this person made a huge profit, right? And the last one, we have 55 kobo worth of goods was bought and was sold at 66 kobo. So this person definitely made a what? Profit as well. Now, having figured out which of these got a profit or a loss, we need to find out the percentage of the profit and also the percentage of the loss. How do we find percentage profit? Okay, percentage, or profit percentage rather, profit percentage equals what? Profit divided by what? The cost price times 100%. Okay, so now what is the profit from 2 naira 70 kobo and 3 naira 24 kobo? We're only going to do a simple subtraction. Okay, now the first one is what? 3 naira 24 kobo minus 2 naira 70 kobo. So we want to know the profit gain here. Okay, so this is 54 kobo is the profit. And how do we get the percentage of the profit? That's 54 over what? That's 0.54 over the cost price is 2 naira 70 kobo times 100 over 1. So this becomes what? 54 over 2.70, right? So 54 divided by 2.7 equals 20, and this becomes 20%. So the percentage, the profit percentage of this first one is 20%. So the person got a percentage, a profit percentage of 20. Now the second one says 4 naira, the cost price is 4 naira and the selling price is what? 3 naira 50 kobo, and which is a loss. So we are going to subtract 3 naira 50 kobo from 4 naira, and that gives us what? 50 kobo. So the person is at a loss of 50 kobo, and loss loss percentage equals what? Loss over the cost price times 100%. So it's the same thing with the percentage profit. So now I want to get the percentage loss. Now this is equal to what? 0.50 over the cost price is what? 4 naira times 100 over 1, and this is 50 over 4. Okay, so what is 50 divided by 4? That will give us the answer to our question. So the person is at a loss of 12.5%. Okay? And that's how we got the answer for this. So this is 20%. This is 12.5%. Now for the next one, 126 naira was bought. The product was bought for this price and was sold at 182 naira 70 kobo. So I'm going to do the subtraction, and that's 182.70 minus 126.00. So we have 56 naira 70 kobo. So 56 naira 70 kobo divided by the cost price is what? 126 naira times 100 over 1, which is 100%. So we're going to get our answer. This becomes 5,670 divided by 126 to give us the percentage. So what is 5,670 divided by 126? That's 45%. So the person made a profit, a whopping profit of what? 45%. And for the last one, I want to determine the percentage profit of this last purchase of product. So we have 66 kobo minus 66 kobo minus 55 kobo. So that is 11 kobo, right? So it's a profit. So we're going to take away, we're going to get the percentage profit for this particular question. So this becomes 0.11 divided by what? The cost price here is 55 kobo times 100 over 1. So we want to find out the percentage profits, and this is 11 over 0.55. So what is 11 divided by 0.55? That's 20%. So the person made a profit of 20%. And this is how you get to solve problems that has to do with percentage profit and loss. Okay? Alright, we've come to the end of today's lesson, and I'll see you in my next class. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.